Hello mindful creators, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk to you about relationships, the new relationship and the old patterns and the old problems from the previous relationships, how to recognize the patterns and what do they mean. I wanted to talk to you about those relationships that you are having and maybe you're struggling with. You see, the problem is that when you are dating somebody, most likely you're attracting very similar people to your life. And so let's say you were in a relationship with a man or woman and you struggle either with too much of the control or not enough of the control, or you wanted to control this person, or you were jealous of this person, or the person was jealous of you, or there was some kind of rejection or not enough love, or maybe cheating included in this relationship. For whatever reason this relationship ended, you probably promised to yourself, I will never do it again, I'll be much wiser, I'm going to be much smarter in my new relationship. And really truly bravo for that, and I kudo you for that. But the problem is, if you did not look into your subconscious mind much deeper than just like normal conscious level, then I can probably really assure you that you're going to end up being with similar partner again, and it's going to happen again and again until you are going to realize that there's something deeper in that you are the person that actually attracts those partners, or actually you are the person that is choosing those partners for yourself because they are fitting the pattern inside of your subconscious mind. So let's say if we would put a row of women or men for you to choose from, you standing in front of all of those men, you're going to be mostly attracted to the person that can give you exactly what you need in your life experience. And what I say it, there is a huge differentiation between what I want consciously and what my subconscious really truly wants. So, and let's talk for a few moments about that. Well, consciously, of course, we want to be loved, we want to be cherished, we want to be admired, we want to have a partner that we can trust and rely on, and the partner that is going to always be there for us and is going to be trustworthy and will never look at the other people ever again because they have us. We are just the most precious in the whole world. But subconsciously, we are pulling partners that we are mostly familiar with from our childhood. And what I mean by that is, let's say we have to go back for a little bit to our childhood, to our childhood years. Let's say you have to be able to look at your relationship with your own parents. If you had a father that was controlling, not giving you enough of attention, then naturally you're going to project this, what was happening in the past, into your relationships that are happening right now. So if you struggled with this relationship, that you didn't have truly connection to your own father, this is what's going to happen right now. You're going to always end up being with a man that is really not easy to communicate with, that is not maybe reliable, or is rejecting you kind of. And it's not happening right away on the very beginning of the relationship. So my stipulation is is this the partner that is really truly it, or this is us creating this for ourselves because this is the experience that we need from this partner. So let's say if you're going to find from all this row of men one man that attracts you the most, This man for a while is going to be truly the way that he wants to present himself to you. And at some point, you're going to start realizing that whatever it was before, it was some kind of maybe role that was being played. And now, in a reality, it is again something that you know from before, you know from previous relationship, or you know from your pattern with your own parent. It could be your father, it could be also your mother. This realization of your own pattern of choosing your partner is such a crucial part, because it takes you from the victim role into a person that is totally fully empowered into action. And what I mean by that, when we are choosing a partner because subconsciously, let's say, we are used to rejection, this partner may do something to make us feel fully rejected. And in that case, we are going to totally put the whole load of responsibility for our partner without noticing that this is exactly what our subconscious mind is used to, and it wants more of it. So we'll create subconsciously situations, maybe shitty situations that are going to totally fully help the subconscious mind to get what it wants. It's like a child. I want more, I want more, I want more of things that I am used to. So let's say if you had controlling parent, then maybe you are going to attract men or women that are going to fully control you, and you will consciously very dislike it, but subconsciously your mind loves it because it receives things that it is the most familiar with. So, subconscious mind has no feelings. It is running like a computer program inside of us 24 hours a day. For your subconscious mind, it doesn't really matter. What matters for your subconscious mind is supplying you with things that it thinks you need the most. So in order to change this subconscious mind, first of all, you need to realize that there is a problem, and the problem occurs in your subconscious mind. Second of all, you need to, by realizing that, going back into those first the first relationships, which usually is with your parent, with your mom, with your dad, and then along with all the rest of the partners that you were with, and seeing how it is reoccurring, and seeing and forgiving yourself and forgiving them for this pattern to occur. This is the healing part of the pattern. And then after this happens, the most important part of it is to bring fully awareness into your everyday life in order to be able to recognize this pattern to reoccur again. So with truly being able to be consciously aware of the pattern in your life, as soon as it's going to come near your way, you'll be able to see red flags all over this particular person, because you will know that with this relationship you'll you will again fall into the same pattern. So it also calls for really truly having your heart open and being capable to see other people that are around our lives, and maybe although they would not normally fall into this attractive partner that you would be attracted to the most, but give a chance to experience something different. So you then, when you experience something different, you'll be able to see the difference between people, the difference between relationships, and then you'll be able to choose the partner for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please hit like, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.